Number 1 Nitrile latex tank. It contains the nitrile latex, the main raw material of gloves. Number 1 Nitrile latex drying oven. Preliminarily dry off the nitrile latex on the hand molds and make it solidified. Number 2 Nitrile latex tank. Dip the hand molds in the nitrile latex once again to make up for the bubbles generated by the first dipping and increase the yield. Number 2 Nitrile latex drying oven. The nitrile latex on the hand molds is initially solidified in this oven to form a film. Hemming system. The edge of the gloves on the hand molds are curled in this process, which is convenient for putting on and taking off afterwards. Leaching tank. Soak and wash off the impurities, such as proteins on the surface of the gloves after drying. The main oven. The gloves are fully dried in this oven. Cooling tank. In this tank, the gloves that coming out of the main oven will be cooled off. Chlorine washing tank. Powder free the surface of the nitrile gloves with chlorine solution. Neutralization tank. Neutralize the chlorine solution residual on the hand molds. Leaching tank. Soak and wash the residual impurities on the surface of gloves once again to remove the peculiar smell. Draping tray. Collect the water droplets from the hand molds. Finishing oven. The last oven. It is for drying the residual water stains on the surface of the gloves. Nitrile gloves pre-releasing system. Roll and curl the finished gloves to the wrist part for easy stripping. Stripping machine. Stripping machine runs synchronously with the production line chain and peels off the gloves to the finger part. Full automatic counting machine. The counting machine automatically counts the gloves. It can be set as a stack of 10 or a stack of 20, etc. Feel free to change.